Hey, it's Regina Green with Making Faith Moves. How are you? I hope that all is well. I am just jumping on here really quick because I want to know, how are you joining us tonight? Are you joining us on the live training to start up your life and dream business? I know that there are many new and aspiring coaches, trainers, consultants, and service-based entrepreneurs and business owners who are looking to take their life to the next level, to have the dream lifestyle and dream business that you want to do. I want to take you through the steps to show you how to start that process. And if you've already started the business and you're in the very beginning stages, you're still doing a little bit of wondering, I want to show you some important pieces to this. I want to show you the number one mindset that stops you from moving to the next level. If you feel like you have some things going on that feel like it's holding you back, you need to get on this live training tonight. I will be giving you 5 things that you can do right now to help you to go to your next level. I'm going to take you step by step of how to do it. Not just the what, but I'm going to walk you through the how of how you create this lifestyle and business that you want to move towards. A lot of you are thinking one thing, but I'm going to show you it's a surprise of how this thing is going to work and how you can do it. I want to show you how to begin to see your dream business, see your lifestyle that you want, and make this thing happen. If you want to come on here, I'd be happy to have you. Click the link below. It's only $49. We only have 6 spots available. We have 6 more spots available, and I want those spots to be filled. I want ladies on here, men on here who are hungry, who are ready, who are driven. Only those who are all the way 10 in, ready to go, okay? Come on. It's going to be exciting. I'm really excited about it. I don't give you halfway. I'm going to give you 100% of what I have of just information that I really know that will help you to take your life to the next level, because it has helped me. I'm telling you, I went in circles. I went in circles for a while, and I don't want you to go in circles. I want you to be clear. I want you to move forward, and I want you to know how to move forward. Okay, so please join me. I'll also be giving you 5 ways to make money while you build your business. But if you don't know what that one mindset thing, that mindset piece is that's holding you back, you won't be able to implement these either. But I'm going to show you how to do that. So come on, $49 for a live training tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Click the link, join. I'm excited. I'm ready to have you. I'm ready to connect with you. I'm ready to build a relationship with you. And you can ask me as many questions as you like tonight, okay? All right, so if you cannot join the training tonight, I will be, once you register, I'll be sending you the recording of the video to your email so that you can have it, and you'll be able to watch it later. So you'll always have access to this. And guess what? I'm offering anybody who gets on here a free 30-minute session with me. Anybody who gets on this training tonight, you'll have a free 30-minute session with me, talking through it. If you need to start your business, you need to understand the mindset to take it to the next level. You're not seeing the results that you want. Jump on this free call with me. Go ahead and register at the link below, and I'm really excited about it. Okay, so share this video, like this video, comment, ask me any questions. I'm here to help you succeed, to help my believers live beyond mediocrity and find the courage within to start and win. We have to start somewhere, right? So start tonight. Join me live tonight at 7 o'clock on this training. Okay, I'll talk to you later.